What's up guys, Sean here with the Sean Connors Realty team at Vanguard Realty Alliance, and I'm at my new listing at 133 Adams Street in Royersford Borough, and I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that you will not find a nicer home that's been fully renovated with 4 beds and 2 full bathrooms for the price and with all the great things that are coming to Royersford Borough. You have to see it. So let's go take a look. So thanks for taking a stroll through the house with me. If there is anything that I can do for you, if you have any questions, or if you would like to come see the property, please reach out to me. Look forward to speaking with you soon and have a great day.